This is the case of the male pattern hair loss level 2. Today I'm going to demonstrate that how are we going to give him a conservative hairline. From the center of the glabella to here is the point called anterior point. The distance is about 7.5. These 2 points, right and left, is called the lateral point. From the anterior point, when I connect all the small dots to the lateral point here, the hairline appears. Get a natural hairline, we create irregularities. From here to here, this area, semicircle area, is called a follow, and we're going to do a dense packing here. In a smart FUE, hairline design is very important. This is immediately after the smart FUE hair transplant. In the morning just now, we drew the design. Here, the hairline, the anterior point, lateral point, hairline irregularity. Now, we have completed the smart FUE procedure. All the graph already been filled up in the design area. Are you happy with the design?
Yeah, I am very happy with the design actually.